SQL Programming. KapilGuru offers courses on SQL by some of the best trainers. A course by Shyam Chayad, who is having experience of 20 years. The course duration is 10 days. Classes can be attended both on weekends and weekdays. SQL course by Maneka Guru Prasad, who is having experience of 5 years, is for 10 days. And the classes can be attended on weekdays. Sanyam Gupta, who is an 11 years experienced trainer, offers a course for 10 days. The classes offers a course for 20 days to be conducted on weekends and weekdays. Computers or machines perform specific actions. They need a set of detailed instructions for this purpose. We use a programming language to control the behavior and output of a computer via accurate algorithms. There are so many languages that help computers perform actions such as Python, Java, SQL, C++, etc. The large and complex data is processed through these languages more quickly and accurately. These languages are very important and useful for organizations, especially for the creation of system database services management. The full form of SQL is Structured Query Language. SQL was developed by Raymond Boyce and Donald Chamberlain in the early 1970s at IBM. It was created for getting access to and modifying data held in databases. SQL is a special-purpose computer language that is used to connect to databases. It operates by examining and comprehending databases with data fields in their tables. Take, for instance, a huge corporation with a large amount of data to keep and manage. The use of SQL by different organizations have been increased instantly in recent years because of its use in the processing of vast and complex information stored. The technique of SQL allows you to interact with other numerous disciplines. You are using the computer's language when you work with SQL. It's a universal language as it encourages you to progress into different other languages such as C++, JavaScript, Python, and others. All these languages are quite invaluable, having great demand. It has a vast development community because SQL is an open-source programming language. Many topics relating to SQL and MySQL are constantly posted on Stack Overflow. Many of the most popular SQL databases, MySQL, MariaDB, and Postgres, are open source. SQL can manage even a large number of data files, which is not possible with traditional spreadsheets. SQL permits you to perform activities on this large measure of data without worrying about crashing also. You can handle huge tasks easily using SQL. SQL is a huge piece of software. The future scope of being a SQL developer can be found in retail, finance, healthcare, science, and technology, public sector, and, in short, everywhere. All businesses require a database to store their information. Kapil Towers, ISB Road. Financial District, Nanakremita, Telangana, India. Call, +91 82870